Hello, traders. Today is Wednesday, June 25th, and this is my analysis for gold. So, anyways, on the 1 hour time frame, we had a really nice sort of opportunity. In one of my most recent videos, I said there's a very good chance this is like an ABC correction, and it'll probably go up near these highs and then continue down. It definitely did make a little bit of a lower high, but that was a perfect three waves up. Nice impulsive engulfing move to the downside. Perfect entry to go short. That potentially, if you would have gone short there, put your stop there, that could have been about an 8-to-1 risk to reward right there on that move down. Now, I really do not think this trend is over. It definitely doesn't look over on the higher time frames. So more than likely, this move up that we're currently seeing is going to likely be a pullback to this last move down. So I would prefer to see some sort of a three-way pullback. So if we get some sort of an ABC, some sort of a 50%, 61% pullback, then that exactly would be the entry I would be looking for is three ways up to a fib level, nice engulfing move to the downside, and potentially the continuation of the downtrend. So for me personally, as like a 1 hour time frame and up trader, I'm definitely waiting for a sort. If you are trading the very short time frames, you could try to go long for the wave C, but the bigger, better money is definitely still going to be trying to go short at the end of three-way pullbacks, potentially for the continuation of the downtrend. So, anyways, don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked over here in the corner. Take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.